HowExpert Guide to Tabletop Role-Playing Games. 101 tips to start, play, and succeed in tabletop role-playing games. By HowExpert with Jeffrey Wright. Take a deep dive into the art of making and playing unforgettable characters in your favorite tabletop role-playing game. For decades, TTRPGs have been bringing friends together to tell stories of adventure and intrigue. Now, the genre has become more popular than ever, with appearances in movies, TV shows, podcasts, and more. But what if you want to add even more immersion to your game? The answer is in role-playing. With dynamic and popular series such as Critical Role available to watch online, it can be understandably intimidating to start adding more role-playing to your game. But there is no need to fear. This comprehensive role-playing guide will teach you how to plan and kick off your tabletop RPG experience, create your own unique character that is fully immersed in your game's world, find and use inspiration for your TTRPG characters, use description to grow your imagination and make more compelling stories, adapt your character to your game's world, develop skills that are useful in and outside of the game, find your next favorite TTRPG series, and connect with other gamers. With a proven process for creating engaging characters honed over many awkward and nerdy years, this guide is your one must-have resource to make and play unforgettable TTRPG characters. About the expert. Jeffrey Wright is a proud nerd, avid tabletop gamer, and writer. With nearly 2 decades of experience playing and running a wide variety of tabletop role-playing games, Jeffrey Wright has made it his mission to get as many people playing TTRPGs as possible. He credits the free-form immersion offered by tabletop gaming for his outgoing personality, love of writing, and obsessive collecting habits. He regularly prepares and runs games for new players at his local game store to introduce them to the magic of role-playing games. Most days, he can be found resting atop his gigantic dice hoard, challenging strangers to riddle contests. On other days, he practices being less sarcastic.